afternoon, everybody. This is Joe. Welcome back to the Model Building Corner. Hey, I want to give a before we get started today, I wanted got a shop card in the mail, so I want to say hello to T-Dog, Tony, DawgsModelCars. If you guys ever check this guy out, he is an amazing builder. Given you know, I probably shouldn't say it, but he points it out all the time. He's got some shaky hands, but man, can he build a model. I mean, that's like impressive. But yeah, so he had some nice words on the back there for me. And if you haven't checked out T-Dog, check out his videos. He's a pretty cool guy. Got a cute dog. It's always in his lap there. So definitely give Tony a check out at DawgsModelCars. So I'm going to get that up on my wall. And then what I think I'm going to start with today is I'm going to do my first attempt at wiring. So I've already got the holes pre-drilled. I figured, like I said in an earlier video, I've never done this before. So, you know, what better way to start than with only having to deal with 4 instead of 8. So we're going to work on that. Alright, well, as you can see, I got the parts are still sitting there drying from 2 days ago. I didn't do anything yesterday. Got my 30 gauge wire, solid core, with my 6 different colors. I think that with the Chrysler / Jeep engine, I'm gonna do it in yellow, I think, just to get some contrast on there. Now, looking at photos of this motor, the distributor is on the right side of the motor, and the spark plugs are on the left side of the motor engine. And so the spark plug wires run from the cap around the back of the engine into the spark plug wires, into the spark plugs. So I'll cut off what I think will be the initial length for the front, the furthest one away. So I think that'll be fine. I should probably try to get this hole deeper. But there wasn't much detail to this distributor cap, even though it's a different one than the one that was actually in the kit. So I just drilled a center hole big enough, and I'm just going to put all 5 wires in there, glue it in, and then once that sets up, I'll start running them to the front here. So let me get some equal wires. Alright, so I got 5 wires. Yeah, will they all fit in there? Oh yeah. Yep, they'll fit in there. So I'm gonna clip the bottom so that it's all the same length. Alright. That in here. One other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a drop of accelerator on this just to get it to see what that does. It's pretty solid. I want to try to get you guys down in here. So I could already see where I've messed something up, but I'm not going to tell you until I'm done. So let me put a spot of glue on the first wire. Be quiet. He is eating, by the way. Oh, that's good. Now, the only thing that I don't know anything about is the way you guys make the little on the real car would be those plastic wire holders. So I'm worried about that, but I can make it look somewhat. See, here's where I messed up. I should have folded these wires down before I put any accelerator or anything in there, because the wires have, maybe I should redo it. The wires are too tall coming out of the distributor, and the glue actually wicked up the wires some. But I'm gonna learn from my mistake and keep going. Alright, so for a first time, I'm not gonna complain. Once I put my coil on, I'll set that one in. I know this looks wrong and sloppy, and like I said, I shouldn't have put accelerator on there, because as soon as I did, the glue wicked upwards, so the wires look like they're sitting way too tall on the distributor. I was trying to pinch the wires closer together to make it look a little more realistic. Put a little bit of a sag on that side. So, looking at this, I'm happy. Looking at this, I can do better. But I say for a first time, it's a passing grade. Alright, so I was just putting on some more of the accessories onto the motor. Got that taken care of. The body is it should be dry enough, so I'll get on that tomorrow. And the Mustang body and all the parts are all washed and ready to be primed tomorrow. So I'm gonna make it a short one today, fellas. Everybody, thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and also have a super Easter weekend. Thanks.